Have you ever wondered when does our conversation become monotonous and dull? It usually happens when we overuse the same words again and again. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the replacement of the most overused word good in order to make our conversation fascinating and impactful. If someone asks you, how was your experience at workplace? You usually say it was good. How is the weather today? It is pretty good. How does my shirt look on me? It looks pretty good. There is nothing wrong in the above sentences, but if you really wish to sound like an advanced speaker, then you need to upgrade your vocabulary and start using advanced and appropriate words. So I'm Mrs. Ritika and I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. Let's get started without any further ado. Now you are going to see sentences using good on one side of the screen, and on the other side you would see the same sentences but with enhanced vocabulary which has replaced good. He has a really good personality. He has an appealing personality. It was a good day. It was an awesome day. You have a good relationship. You have a wonderful relationship. She's a good artist. She's a skilled artist. We had a good trip. We had a fantabulous trip. It was a good party. It was a splendid party. We had a good time together. We had a lovely time together. I'm in good health. I'm high-spirited. His speech was really good. His speech was exemplary. The weather is good. The weather is pleasant. The movie was good. The movie was fantastic. His performance was really good. His performance was stupendous. I have a good question. I have a valid question. It was a good day. It was a mind-boggling day. Your attire looks really good. Your attire looks absolutely ravishing. She did a good job. She did an outstanding job. So, could you figure out the change when you use advanced vocabulary? How impactful your speech becomes? So, I would like you all to renounce this word good from today itself and rather use more impactful words like appealing, awesome, wonderful, spectacular, stupendous, lovely, exemplary, top notch, fantabulous, fantastic, ravishing, mind boggling, outstanding, and the list goes on and on. I heartily wish my followers to add a few from here and expand their lexicon. If you are going to follow my easy tips, you will be transformed from a basic level to advanced level in a blink of an eye. Keep following for such intriguing content. See you in the next one now. Bye bye. Take care. Stay tuned till then.